Hello, so this is Kelly from MG Caravans. This is the handover video for the Pegasus Grande SE Brindisi. So when you get onto site, you want to make sure that the caravan is level by using the corner steadies on each corner. Then you want to plug in your main supply, which is just underneath here. So you just connect it into the inlet just there. We've also got an external main supply on the side. And in the rear access locker, you have got the motor mover power switch just there, and then the access to the leisure battery. Then on the front, you've got external barbecue point, so it connects up to the gas bottles already fitted on board. And then on the opposite side, you've got your water inlet, which again, slide up and push in your water pump into there, and then put it into your water container. Your gas locker, which has space for 2 gas bottles. Your heating flue. Your toilet cassette locker and flush point. So you open that and then you pour in the water for the toilet flush. And then your toilet cassette is in the locker just there as well. So once you go into the caravan, you've got the control panels just inside the door. So you want to turn on the power supply, so then you've got 12 volt inside the caravan. Your light switches, so that one is going to be for your awning light, and then those are to power your inside lights there. You'll see that some of them have individual switches on them as well, so you can individually control the lighting. So there is various switches throughout the caravan. So once you've controlled the main power into the caravan, you want to make sure that your drain valve is closed off so you get water inside the caravan. So you see there that it's down. When you aren't using the caravan, it's best to have that in the upright position, so then it drains all of the water out so you don't get any potential frost damages. Then you want to go to the control panel, turn on the water pump, and make sure that each of the taps are closed off. Like so. And then you want to bleed the water through on the kitchen tap. So open it and let it on hot until the air's bled through, and then through on the cold, and repeat that on all of the taps. So then the next thing you want to do is set up your heating and hot water. So you've got the control panel just there. Press the middle button. You'll see the motorhome symbol flashing, that is your heating. Press it again. Currently it's off, but if you turn it round to your designated temperature and then press the button again. To control the hot water, you've got the thermometer in the water just there. Press it again. You've got either eco, hot or boost. If you do put it onto the boost mode, it will knock off the heating because it's putting all the energy into the hot water system. So we want it on eco, and then you select your power supply. So currently we've got it on electric 2, so that is 2 kilowatts of usage. You've got 1, 2, a mixture of gas and electric, or just gas on its own. So the last option is you've got the fan speed. So you press on the fan, you've got either eco or high or boost. So that is for the heating itself. And then you've got options to set timers just there, and then general settings as well. So underneath the kitchen unit, inside the cupboard, you have got your gas shut-off valves, which when they are all on, they'll just be in the vertical position just there. So there's nothing you need to do with that. we just recommend that you do turn off the gas bottle when you're putting the caravan in storage and when you're towing the vehicle as well. So when you're going to use your oven and your hob, you've got your electric hob plate control just there, and then your front burner gas hob, and then your rear one, and then your front right as well. And then when you've got your grill, you have the door open, push the knob down and turn, and it will release the gas. But while you've got that turned and pressed down, you want to hold the ignition button so then it ignites. And then you do the same with the oven. You'll see the flame at the back once it started to light, and then spread across the back, and then you can close the door. So underneath the fixed bed, you have got the power box for the motor mover, and then the leisure battery compartment that is built into the floor just there, and your freestanding table. Your motor mover power supply there, so it's best to keep it off when you're not using the motor mover. Saves on draw on your battery, which you can access by the external locker just there. So the next thing you would like to set up would be your fridge freezer. So underneath the counter to the door side of the caravan, you've got your control panel for the fridge, which is touch operated. Hold the button down, the on power button just there. It will select the mode that you'd like it on here. So currently it's on auto electric. So as it's on the auto mode, it will select whatever you're plugged into. So if you're plugged into mains, it will select the mains. If you haven't got that plugged in and you've got your gas turned on, it will automatically go over to gas. Or if you're plugged into your car, it will select that mode just there. So to change the mode, you just press the mode button. So currently I'm not connected to the car, so it is coming up with a fault, and gas just there as well, so it will light automatically on gas. Or you can just select mains on its own, so you can override the automatic settings just there, and you can adjust the temperature by the button just there as well. And then to turn the fridge off, you just hold the button down for several seconds and then it goes off. And you have got a light inside the fridge freezer as well, and then the freezer flap just pulls down. So inside the locker, just above the microwave, you have got the controller for the solar panel. So green means that it's working. When it is putting in charge, it will be flashing as well, and you can set for different types of batteries that you're going to be using as well. So we're automatically set up for our standard leisure batteries. So there isn't really anything that you need to do with that. Just make sure that the solar panel is kept clean. So thank you for watching. If you did need any more information on the workings of the caravan, or if I haven't gone through anything, then please just give us a call. Thank you. Bye.